Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. I had a request from Carol to do some more with the journal from the September Paper Pumpkin Kit. It was the add-on. So I'm going to use one of the Abundant Beauty decorative masks, and I'm just going to stencil some ink on here and then use one of the stickers from the set for this one. So I'm coming in with some crushed curry, and I'm just going to sweep it over kind of everywhere as kind of a base color. I do have some just pieces of regular ruled paper just to mark the edges so that I don't go off and I create a halo kind of thing. And I didn't want the full mask, I just wanted partial. So I'm just going to come in like this, and it's not as wide as the pages, so I will be shifting it over. But I'm actually going to do all the coloring here first before I shift it. Okay, I'm going to come in now with the Old Olive. And I'm going to come in kind of specific places. I did the crushed curry kind of all over, but with the Old Olive, I'm just going to come in and do kind of strategic spots. And then maybe one more in the middle, just like that. Oh, and I've moved my mask. That's okay, I can just pull it back again. Let's move that over there, pull this back. I haven't attached this down, that's why it moved. You can always just put some washi tape on or use a any kind of light sticky. This is Cajun Craze, and I'm just going to come in and just do a couple of the darker leaves. Just coming in and doing just a little bit of color. And if you take the mask away and you think, oh, you know what, I could use a little bit more, just go in and put some more. It's not, you can do whatever you like. Okay, so I kind of went from lightest color to darkest color because I wasn't cleaning my mask in between. So if I take this away now, this is what I've got on the page. It's pretty gorgeous. I really quite like that. So I'm going to come back in and I'm going to place the mask down because I want to just fill in this last corner here. But I'm going to put this over. I just want to make sure that I'm not going over anything that I've already done. So I'm just going to come in. I'm going to muddy my brushes a little bit, but that's okay because I do wash my brushes just with some stamp pad cleaner. See, and I'm already off the mark. There we go. Just like that. And I'm going to have to hold it down this time. So just coming in with that crushed curry all over. So I've got kind of that yellow fall kind of background all over. Just move that off to the side. Then I'm going to come back in with my Old Olive, make sure I haven't moved anything, and just come in and a couple of those leaves again, just like that. And then I will add just that one kind of a bit of a dauber of the Cajun Craze. So we're just going to come in again, make sure I'm still lined up, and I am. And I'm just going to do just a couple of little dots of that. So that's good. So move all that off to the side, take all this away, and I've got a lovely little header there, and I I really like the grateful, thankful, hopeful. So I am going to use the grateful sticker, and I'm going to pop it right onto where I've stenciled. So it's a nice backdrop for my word grateful. I'm just going to tip the page so that you can see it without the light shining on it. And that's decorating one of the pages. You can come in with the stencil and just do a couple little leaves down here. But I really like this look with the crushed curry in behind, and then the way it kind of feathers into the other ones. So thank you so much for watching, and I will do a couple more examples with the journal.